To use Vertical Response with QuickBooks, you need to install Vertical Response for Intuit Workplace to a Workplace account. Here's how you do it. Go to marketplace.intuit.com, then search for Vertical Response using the Search Apps box in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on the Vertical Response for Intuit Workplace option to pull up our listing. From here, you can read more about Vertical Response or go straight to Sign Up Now. Now you'll need to either sign in to your Intuit Workplace account, if you have one, or create a new free account. To create an account, just fill out the basic information requested by Intuit and then click the Create Account button. You'll receive an email asking you to verify your sign-up. Click the Verify Email Address link in this email to do so. This will open a page that prompts you to log in to your newly created account. After login, you can choose your subscription plan. This will be an easy choice to make since there's only one option, a free trial. Select this and go to Next. And keep in mind that you'll be able to choose how you want to pay for Vertical Response later on from directly within your account. Now agree to the license agreement and click Subscribe. Then click Go to this application. Now you can choose to use your QuickBooks data with Vertical Response for Intuit, or to not do so and simply upload your data manually. Most users will want to stick with the default QuickBooks option. Now click the Next button. Now you'll see a pop-up window asking you to enter your Workplace username and password again. You're now installing the Workplace Sync application, which allows you to sync your QuickBooks customer data with your Workplace account so you can access it within Vertical Response. Choose a typical install unless you happen to be an advanced QuickBooks user. Now be sure that QuickBooks is open on your computer, that you have the appropriate company open within QuickBooks, and that you're logged in as the admin if you have multiple QuickBooks users. You should probably also back up your data before continuing on to Next. Now click Get Company File. Then go to QuickBooks and click Always Allow Access even when QuickBooks is not running. Note that you are not allowing Vertical Response to have direct access to your QuickBooks data. You are simply allowing Intuit's own Sync application, which is part of your Intuit Workplace account, to access this data. Verify that you want to allow the connection. Then go back to Setup and click Next. The Sync installation will take a moment. When it's done, you can move on to finish setting up your Vertical Response account. Just fill out the requested information and click Activate. Now you're ready to start marketing, and you can watch our other Getting Started videos to learn more.